Today we're going to take a look at the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector. Now this is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2013 and newer Scion FRS, Subaru BRZ, and Toyota 86, and the 2017 and newer Subaru Impreza. And on a custom fit part like this, I do recommend to go to our website, use our fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now this kit will provide this 4-way flat trailer connector at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer's signal lights. It is compatible with 5-pole, 6-pole, and 7-pole adapters that we do sell separately on our website. It does connect very quickly and easily. Basically, you just locate your connection points, which are in the trunk of your vehicle. Use these T connectors, plug one on each side, ground your white wire, then run your power wire to your vehicle's battery. Now it does include this tail light converter, this black box here. This is to ensure that your vehicle's wiring will match that of your trailer. It is a powered module, so it does connect directly to your battery to avoid overloading your vehicle's electrical system. And they do use the SMT technology when they built this. The SMT stands for Surface Mount Technology. It'll give you consistent, reliable performance, helps maximize your trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat, and also ensures superior operation in any rough road conditions. Also comes with this nice dust cap for your 4-way, so when you're not plugged into a trailer, you can just put your dust cover on there. Put it on the other way, just like that. And you can leave it attached if you prefer. And then when you're not plugged in, just put that cover over there to protect the terminals from any damage or from the elements. Now this kit is made in the USA. A few specs on this: the maximum amperage on the stop and turn light circuits is 3 amps per circuit. On the tail lights is 6 amps per circuit. Now it does come with everything shown here on the table. I'm going to go through everything briefly. It does give you a nice set of detailed instructions that will describe with pictures how to install everything. But basically what you'll do is go to the rear of the vehicle, access your trunk, and then you'll access your connection points. And you'll take your T connectors right here, and you'll start on the passenger side, and you'll take this T connector that has the green wire in it, plug that into your connector on the passenger side, and then you'll take the connector with the yellow wire, that's for the driver's side. You'll run this all the way over to the driver's side and do the same, plug that in over there. Now what you want to do is on this converter box, this black box, you do want to attach that to a flat surface so it doesn't bounce around. And they do include some double-face tape that you can use to adhere that down. And then run your bonded wire here out the back towards your trailers to where you're going to hook it up. And your last 2 wires you have to hook up are your black wire, your power wire, and your white wire with the eyelet on it for a ground. So if you find a nearby ground that you can use, just use this white wire and attach it to that. If there isn't one nearby, you can make your own ground. They include this grounding screw. And then your last connection is your power wire. This needs to run to your vehicle's battery. So they do give you some extra length of wire to do that, and the connectors. So you put that onto the power wire, connect it to one end of the wire, run this wire all the way to your battery. And you don't want to connect this wire directly to your battery. You want to run it through this inline fuse holder. So same way, take your butt connector, attach it to one side of the fuse holder, and then the other side of the fuse holder is what will connect to your battery. They do give you an eyelet connector to do that. Once it's all connected, pop it open, take your included 10 amp fuse, install it into your fuse holder, put your cap on, and you're all ready to go. And they do give you some extras, cable ties to take up any slack in the wiring. But that should do it for the review on the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector.